there are all kinds of use cases that an API can handle really well. This video shows the most common scenarios. Many of our customers need an interface to exchange customer data between CleverReach and other software. Other things you can do with it include resending the confirmation email, transferring the newsletter, and exporting report figures. First, you'll need an OAuth, which you can find under My Account, Interface, REST API at the top right. Then, click on Create OAuth to App. Just select the functions you need from the scopes. Just click Create Now, and then open the OAuth, and you'll get the client ID and the client secret. Just use Test Process Now to connect it to another account. Here you get the access token. You'll only need certification if you want to offer this app on public marketplaces. Your developer will need a CleverReach user with REST API access. Let's take a look at the REST API Explorer, where you can find all the API calls listed. Insert the token in the top right corner. On the left, you'll see a menu structure similar to that in CleverReach. If we open groups, the GET commands are at the top. This lets you export customer data from CleverReach and transfer it to other software. Use POST to transfer new email addresses, PUT to update them, and DELETE to remove entries. If you need to import new email addresses into the account, just select Create New Recipient. After that, you can update your customer data with Update Receiver. Here you can also see an example of how you can transfer customer data, tags, or the activation date. Insert here the group ID of the recipient list. If you need to resend the confirmation email from the sign-up form to new customers, use sendsubscribe/unsubscribe email. To check this, just enter the form ID and an email address here. Just a heads up though, this only works for inactive email addresses. So the email addresses can only have the sign-up date, not the activation date. Use the Create an Email option to send an email that you've created outside of CleverReach. Finally, you can export the report figures with Get Reports to have automatic access to the important figures. You can always find more instructions and tips in our Help Center.